Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money on Cash App from your bank account. Let's get started. Before you can add money to your Cash App, you first need to make sure your bank account is properly linked. To check this, open your Cash App and look for the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, and it looks like a little person. Tap on that icon to open your account settings. From there, scroll down until you see the option for Linked Banks. Tap on this to view all the bank accounts and debit cards currently connected to your Cash App. If you don't see your bank listed here, you'll need to link it first before proceeding. I have another video on my channel that walks you through the bank linking process, step by step. Once you've confirmed your bank is connected, you're ready to add money. Return to the main Cash App home screen, where you can see your current cash balance. Directly below your balance, you'll find two important buttons, Add Cash and Cash Out. Since we're moving money from your bank to Cash App, you'll want to tap on the Add Cash button. After tapping Add Cash, you'll see a keypad where you can enter the exact amount you want to transfer. You can either type in a custom amount or select one of the preset amounts shown on the screen. Take a moment to double-check that the amount is correct before proceeding. When you're satisfied with the amount, tap the Add button to continue. At this point, Cash App will ask you to verify the transaction for security purposes. You'll need to authenticate using either Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your unique Cash App PIN. Once you've successfully authenticated, the money will be instantly transferred from your linked bank account into your Cash App balance. You'll see your updated balance right away, reflecting the new amount you just added. This instant transfer feature makes it incredibly convenient to fund your account whenever you need to. Now that the money is in your Cash App balance, you can use it for all sorts of things. You can send payments to friends, make purchases with your Cash Card, invest in stocks or Bitcoin, or even set up savings goals. The flexibility is what makes Cash App so popular for managing your money in one place. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add money from your bank account to Cash App.